Welcome to Bestsellers Market. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. In this exciting countdown, we'll be showcasing the best-selling adhesive vinyl products on Amazon. These products have been tried, tested, and loved by countless customers, and we can't wait to share them with you. So without further ado, let's dive in and explore the top adhesive vinyl products that have taken the market by storm. Get ready to discover the perfect solutions for all your creative projects. Let's go! Imagine crafting projects that exude luxury and last for years. This is exactly what you get with the Cricut Premium Permanent Vinyl. At number 5 on our countdown, this vinyl is not just a product, it's a crafting revolution. Spanning 12 inches by 48 inches, it offers ample space for your creative ventures. The secret to its magic? A robust adhesive that boasts an impressive lifespan of up to 3 years. Yes, 3 years of unyielding stickiness, ensuring that your masterpieces endure. But wait, there's more. This vinyl doesn't just stick, it withstands. Water-resistant and UV-resistant, it thrives in both indoor and outdoor environments. Rain or shine, your designs stay vibrant and intact. Picture this: decorating a mailbox, adorning a wall, or personalizing windows. The Cricut Premium Vinyl is your go-to for all these tasks and beyond. Its superior adhesion guarantees a flawless application every single time. No more fiddling with bubbles or wrinkles, just smooth, precise, and effortless crafting. Compatibility? It's a breeze. Designed to work seamlessly with all Cricut machines, this vinyl lies flat on your cutting mat, promising effortless cutting and easy weeding. In essence, Cricut is not merely about products. It's about unlocking a world of creativity right in your home. With Cricut's innovative tools and materials, your DIY projects transform into beautiful, long-lasting works of art. So get ready to elevate your crafting game with Cricut Premium Permanent Vinyl, where every cut and every design is a masterpiece in the making. At number 4 on our countdown, we present a game changer in the world of vinyl. ORACAL 651 rolls of vinyl. This isn't just any vinyl. It's a versatile crafting essential, boasting a gloss finish that elevates every project. Picture this: rolls available in sizes of 5, 10, 25, or 50 feet, tailoring perfectly to your needs. Each roll is carefully wrapped around a 2.5-inch diameter core, ensuring easy storage and minimizing damage during shipping. And yes, every roll arrives heat-sealed for your convenience. Why is ORACAL 651 AA must-have? It's designed to be compatible with a wide array of craft cutters and printers. Whether you're using Cricut, Silhouette, Xyron, or any other leading brand, this vinyl seamlessly integrates with your equipment. The possibilities are endless, from home decor and tumblers to stencils and scrapbooking, even car decals and window graphics. Durability meets versatility with ORACAL 651. Its gloss finish not only enhances visual appeal, but also ensures long-lasting performance, making it perfect for outdoor use and permanent applications. Imagine creating stunning signs, eye-catching banners, and personalized gifts that withstand the test of time. So, if you're looking for a vinyl that delivers exceptional quality, adaptability, and resilience, ORACAL 651 rolls of vinyl is your top choice. Dive into your next crafting project with confidence, and let ORACAL 651 be the canvas for your creativity. At number 3 on our countdown, we unveil the Black Permanent Vinyl Roll, a powerhouse in the crafting world. This isn't just any vinyl, it's a game changer, designed to revolutionize your DIY projects. Imagine a 12x11 FT roll of glossy, waterproof vinyl that combines unparalleled durability with exceptional ease of use. With its clear pet protective film, say goodbye to the frustrations of paper backing. This innovative feature ensures your designs remain intact, your cutting mat stays pristine, and your creative flow remains uninterrupted. It's a game changer for reducing time and eliminating project mishaps. What sets this vinyl apart? Its clean cut and perfect weed characteristics. Crafted from top-quality vinyl material, this roll features a smoother cutting side and pet backing, making it effortless to cut, weed, and transfer. Even the most intricate designs and tiniest letters come out flawlessly. No bubbles, no wrinkles. It's compatible with Silhouette, Graphtec, and all major craft machines, though a test cut is recommended for best results. Durability is another key player here. With its strong adhesive backing and easy-to-peel liner, this vinyl sticks like a charm to any smooth surface. It's both water-resistant and UV-resistant, withstanding washing and rain, indoors and out. Expect it to hold tight for up to 10 years indoors and 8 years outdoors. Just remember, Wait 24 hours before washing to ensure the best bond. Versatility is at the heart of this product. From home decor and coffee mugs to stencils, scrapbooking, signs, banners, car decals, and window graphics, it handles it all. It's the perfect choice for personalized DIY projects and makes a thoughtful gift for New Year's, Christmas, or any special occasion. The black permanent vinyl roll is more than just a crafting tool. It's a promise of quality and versatility. With a commitment to top-notch service, this brand ensures you get practical, cost-effective solutions for all your creative endeavors. Your satisfaction isn't just a priority, it's the driving force behind every product. Are you loving our countdown of the best-selling adhesive vinyl on Amazon? If so, don't stick around without liking, subscribing, and hitting that bell icon. It's your ticket to never missing out on our top picks. At number 2 on our countdown, we present the Cricut Smart Permanent Vinyl, a crafting marvel that's transforming DIY projects. This 13-inch by 3-foot roll of white vinyl is not just a tool, it's your ticket to creating designs that stick with uncompromising strength. Imagine crafting with a vinyl that refuses to budge. The Cricut Smart Permanent Vinyl guarantees designs that cling steadfastly to virtually any surface, ensuring your creative efforts stand the test of time. It's all about effortless decoration and enduring quality. What's the secret behind its ease of use? This vinyl is tailored for Cricut Explore 3 and Maker 3 machines, allowing you to bypass the cutting mat entirely. Yes, you heard that right, no mat needed. This innovation makes weeding and applying your vinyl quicker and simpler, turning complex crafting into a breeze. But durability is where it truly shines. Weather-resistant and fade-proof, the Cricut Smart Vinyl thrives in any condition. Be it a rainy day or the harsh rays of the sun, your projects remain pristine and vibrant. It's even dishwasher safe, maintaining its integrity through countless washes. Versatility is at the core of this vinyl's appeal. From personalizing cars and mailboxes to crafting labels, decals, and wall art, the Cricut Smart Vinyl tackles a myriad of projects with ease. Its strong adhesion and high durability ensure flawless results every time. Cricut supplies are crafted to make your creative journey both enjoyable and efficient. With smart cutting machines, tools, and materials, you're equipped to ignite your creativity and bring your DIY dreams to life. So, get ready to unleash your inner artist with Cricut Smart Permanent Vinyl, where every project becomes a masterpiece. Ending our countdown with a flourish, we introduce the HTVRONT White Permanent Vinyl, our #1 pick for adhesive vinyl excellence. This 12-inch by 14-foot roll is a game-changer in the crafting world, setting a new standard for quality and performance. Picture a vinyl that resolves all your crafting frustrations. Say farewell to troublesome paper backing that clings to your mat and ruins your designs. With HTVRONT's clear pet backing, your projects stay pristine. No more peeling or separation during the cutting process. This pet backing is the ultimate upgrade for a flawless crafting experience. Just remember, this is not HTV vinyl. What makes this vinyl stand out? Its superior stickiness and durability. The extra strong adhesive backing ensures that the vinyl sticks firmly to any smooth surface. No peeling, no bubbles. Built to endure, this vinyl withstands both washing and rain, making it perfect for indoor and outdoor use. Expect it to last up to 5 years indoors and 3 years outdoors. Note, it's not suitable for fabric. Ease of use is another highlight. This glossy, smooth vinyl cuts and weeds effortlessly, allowing you to achieve crisp, clean designs without wasting time on bubbles or wrinkles. Compatible with most cutting machines, including Cricut, Silhouette, and Graphtec, HTVRONT vinyl integrates seamlessly with your favorite tools. Versatility is key. From signs and scrapbooking to decals, phone covers, and home decor, this vinyl excels in a myriad of applications. It's ideal for creating personalized gifts that will delight friends and family. Just keep in mind, it's not designed for car film applications. HTVRONT stands by the quality and versatility of this permanent vinyl. Your satisfaction is their top priority. If you encounter any issues, their customer service is ready to provide a solution that leaves you happy. For crafting that combines durability, ease of use, and versatility, HTVRONT White Permanent Vinyl is your top choice. Embrace the potential of your creativity with this standout product and let your projects shine. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the top adhesive vinyl on Amazon. To keep up with all the best sellers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the top products we covered today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.